Hi, today I'm part of me OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, agree, pick close and tap to OK. After that, you'll see here information about your battery temperature, and in my case this is 32.7 degrees right now. So also you get more information here like the battery level, health, capacity, model, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.